Hello and welcome to our channel. Another day, another entry in our hashtag food series, and today we have here Choco Crinkles from Csc Home Baking. Just by looking at it, you will already know that you're not getting the usual single crinkle serving, but instead they made it 2 crinkles combined together that is filled with cream cheese. In just 350 pesos, you'll be having 1.5 dozen, that's 18 pieces in total of their Choco Crinkles that are so soft and chewy. Aside from their Choco Crinkles, they also offer other pastries, so you should go ahead and check their Facebook account. Just search for Csc Home Baking. Kung naganahan mo sa among video, palihog og thumbs up and subscribe, o kung naapod mo'y pagkaon na masuggest, i-comment rin na tanan below para atong ma-feature sa among next video. Daghang salamat sa pagtan-aw, amping mo tanan, and support local.